Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Release our hood, pull the handle inside, go underneath, find the safety right here, lift it up. This hood has two positions, it's a normal position and then a service position. Serpentine belt is at the front of the engine. There's only one on this vehicle. We're going to remove this cover. It's a 10mm bolt here using 10mm socket ratchet extension. Pull the bolt out. There's a little stud that it's sitting on. You just pull it straight out, just like that. Put this aside. I'm going to use a 14mm socket and a breaker bar. Go down here on the spring-loaded tensioner. Get this set up here. Pull it towards the driver's side. You can pop the belt right off. The idler up here. Let the tensioner go. Pull this out of the way so it doesn't fall. And feed the belt off all the pulleys. Take the belt right out. Here's our original belt and our brand new one from 1A Auto. It just came out of the package. It's the same number of ribs. It is the same length, so it'll fit great and work great on our vehicle. I'll start by going around the crank pulley. Up and over this lower idler, and then it goes down around the water pump, goes up and around the AC compressor, and down around this other idler, up and over the alternator. Got it seated in the pulleys. Okay. And then it's going to go, when I move the tensioner, it will go over this little idler pulley on the outside here. Put the breaker bar, the socket on, push this down. It's seated all the way. That will hold it up, even the tiniest amount. This belt is brand new, so it doesn't have much stretch to it. Make sure it's all the way in. There it is. Release the tensioner. Belt is installed. Reinstall the cover and push this pin into that rubber grommet. And reinstall this retaining bolt. And just tighten it down. Put the hood down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.